I'm done with my homework. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, let's get ready with me about the day of my life. I'm done with my homework and now I must go practice my dance and stuff. So let's get the outfit for that. The outfit, this ski band, this shirt and this jacket. So let me do a transition. And one, two, one. Let me do a transition. 1, 2. Okay. I'm in my outfit now. I'm gonna do my hair and put my shoes on because I'm fit. So yeah. I'm gonna put my socks. I'm gonna put my shoes on. This. Okay. I'm gonna do perfume and stuff. Okay, done spraying this. I'm just quickly go brush my teeth. Because my teeth is done brushing, so now we must wait to go practice. So yeah, gonna go try. Guys, please subscribe and like, and see you guys in the next video.